In this video, I will guide you how you can activate your Mint Mobile eSIM. So first of all, you just need to visit the Mint Mobile website or check out on their application, and then you need to simply purchase your eSIM plan. Now once you have purchased your eSIM, you will going to receive a QR code from Mint Mobile. So you just need to scan it by heading over to your settings, and then you need to tap on mobile or cellular under the Bluetooth. Once you are in, you just need to simply tap on this add eSIM option under your SIMs, and now you just need to tap on this use QR code in order to scan the QR code that you have received from Mint Mobile. So simply tap on it and now simply scan the QR code. After scanning the QR code, this is how it is going to look like. You need to now activate your eSIM. So simply tap on this continue on the bottom, and this is going to take few minutes to activate your eSIM. After activating your eSIM, you need to now choose your label for your connected plan, which is going to be secondary by default. So you need to tap on it, and then you will have the options of choosing your name, or you can also add your own label, like let's say Mint Mobile, Mint eSIM, or anything that you want to go with. Once you are done, simply tap on continue on the bottom again, and now you need to choose your default line, which is going to be primary, as you need to use it for call or send messages to the people who are not in your contact. Then tap on continue again. Same goes for the iMessages and FaceTime. Select primary and then tap continue. The last option will going to be your cellular data, which you need to simply tap on secondary or any other name that you have chosen during the label process, and then make sure that allow cellular data switching is toggle off. Then you need to simply tap on the done on the bottom, and you have successfully added your eSIM, which you can see under the SIM section. Now you need to simply tap on it and make sure that data roaming is toggle on, and turn on this line is also toggle on. So that's a way of how you can activate your Mint Mobile eSIM.